Hey guys, Glenn Twiddle here. Hey, I hope you can hear this one. I sent out a video the other day and the volume, it seems, was all messed up. So anyway, apologies that I'm in a t-shirt. Apologies that I'm in my mum's house, the house I grew up with. But this week I've been up in Ipswich with an awesome team up here. The number one team in Ipswich, Susie Nehemiah's team. It's just been so much fun. But based on this, no time to get all professional videos and stuff. So here we are, mum's house, t-shirt. Let's have a quick chat. I wanted to give you an update on what's going on at the upcoming tour around the country coming to your city coming up. Some things have shifted because what I did is I asked a few of my clients who've been implementing the things that I'm going to be teaching you. And I said, hey, come along and share with how you've been implementing these principles, these out-of-the-box strategies, and what your results have been. Well, what ended up happening is some really amazing agents, literally high six and seven-figure real estate agents and business owners have RSVP'd and said they're in and they're going to speak with you. So here is what we're going to happen. For example, Tom Carlin over in Perth. Excuse me. No even time to edit out coughs. So Tom Carlin over in Perth. He's a $2 million real estate performer, $1.8 million or so. He's 26 years old. He's been in the industry 7 years, and he's going to come and have a talk to you about exactly how he did that and how he achieved what he did step by step and move by move. So that's going to happen in WA. Now, what I'm going to do is, for example, in Victoria, Daniel Hayes and Ash Martin are going to come and share with you how they have done what they have done in their businesses. It's going to be a great thing. So if you come to Perth, though, you're going to get a copy of everyone in all of the other cities. Similarly, if you come to any of the cities, I'm going to give you the rest of the cities, the full home study course of everyone. Sorry, I just popped on my screen, sorry. Of everyone that you didn't see in your city, because I can't have everyone come to every city. So you're going to truly get a full home study course for the very low cost of admission of next to nothing, just enough to cover your coffees, to come and hear these strategies and these ideas. So I'm so pumped. What started off as really a Be Phenomenal follow-up tour with kind of just me and maybe one or two of the Be Phenomenal speakers has turned into a Be Phenomenal event all of its own. It's built a life of its own. I can't wait to be sharing with you, for you, what strategies we're using to really live a life of autonomy, to live life on your own terms, to not have to wake up worried about where the next listing is going to come from and how many listings you've got, and if that one listing that's overpriced is going to walk out the door and you'll go from 5 listings to 3 or whatever the case may be. These guys are running with 20, 30 listings and they're selling 5, 6, 10, 15 a month. So I can't wait. I'm really excited. It is really early in the morning and I've got to get ready for doing what I'm doing. I just want to give you that heads up, say hi. I can't wait to see you there. So click on the link, check out what it's all about. Can't wait to see you. The upcoming Be Phenomenal road trip. We're going to see you in your town then. And I look forward to really a couple of years from now, you looking back on this training as having been one of the best that you've ever been to. And again, the old guarantees there. I'll double your money back if it's anything less. If you think that this is overhype or whatever, you come up to me at the end of the day and I will happily hand you back double your money if you think it's anything less than career changing. I'll see you guys at the upcoming road trip. Bye for now.